Riverside Marine and Cycle, Miles City, Montana. We've got a 2023 Polaris Ranger 1000 EPS. So it's got the electric power steering. I say these tires are roughly 40% tread. Does have a cracked windshield on the passenger side. Has full hard cab, heater, wiper, crank down window doors. Has the tilt assist dump box. Has the wiper washer kit. This machine's got 4,370 miles on it. 499 hours. I'm going to take another video of this getting started up, drove around. If you've got any questions, you can always call us at 406-232-3300.